Infinix, very much like Tecno, has been really innovative with their recent devices, bringing the best possible specs at the lowest possible prices. This is the Infinix Note 30, the most basic of the Note series, behind the Note 30 Pro and the Note 30 VIP. Even though this is the basic model, it does have a trick up its sleeves, which we shall be looking at later, so please do watch this video till the end. The Infinix Note 30 has pretty impressive specs, with a 1080p AMOLED display at 60Hz refresh rate and 580 nits of peak brightness, which is not as great as the Pro or the VIP version, but still quite usable outdoors. It has a display size of 6.66 inches, hopefully not affiliated to the devil, but with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with 396 pixels density. This looks really good when consuming media, and for its price, I'd say it's absolutely great. Streaming on social media, watching movies and random videos looks vibrant with great colors and contrast. The experience gets even better with its JBL-tuned dual speakers, which gives it an immersive feel, like it really does sound amazing. The Infinix Note 30 runs on Android 13 with a MediaTek Helio G85 6nm octa-core processor and an XOS 13 custom skin. It also has a Mali G57 MC2 GPU with a Geekbench result of 351 single-core score and 1385 multi-core score, with an Antutu result of 265,143. Now, all the specs mentioned above simply means that this device, even though not pricey, can handle most tasks thrown at it, ranging from simple tasks like texting, scrolling through social media, surfing the web, scrolling through this device, and even leaving multiple apps open at the same time, to more complex tasks like gaming, which really pushes its GPU. But low-demanding games play very smoothly, and high-demanding games like Call of Duty and PUBG will only play smoothly at low to medium graphics settings. But believe me, it takes nothing away from the experience, especially for those of us who are mostly casual gamers. If gaming is the primary reason for getting a device, then I advise that you raise your budget a little bit and get the Infinix Note 30 Pro or VIP instead. To further enhance your gaming experience on the Note 30, Infinix has added what they call bypass charging, which allows the Infinix Note 30 to bypass its battery and power itself directly. This is especially appreciated while you're gaming and there is a need to charge your phone at the same time. This greatly alleviates overheating, and at the end it does extend battery life. The Infinix Note 30 comes with a 5000 mAh batteries and a 33W wired charger. Now, as promised, I will tell you the trick this device has got up its sleeve. So, even though this base model does not support wireless charging, Infinix has been kind enough to include a wireless charging case as well as a wireless charger, which is rated at 15 watts. At this point, I really don't understand how these companies make any profit. Priced at about 138,000 naira, Infinix Note 30 comes with the usual accessories like a transparent plastic case, a 33W charging brick, a Type-C charging cable, a pair of earphones, and a SIM ejector tool. Now, while other brands are selling phones with pretty much nothing but the phone in the box, Infinix decided to go a different route by adding 3 extra accessories to the box, which are a glass screen protector, a wireless charging phone case, and a wireless charger. This means you get this device with 2 protective cases included in the box, which is absolutely insane at this price point. Not to leave out its usual free data bundles from MTN, 9Mobile, and Airtel. Kinda leaves us speechless. So the color I have here is called the Obsidian Black, and the device comes with a glass back, which personally I am not a fan of, but thankfully I have 2 options of protective casing to choose from. The front is made of glass but has no built-in glass protection, hence the included screen protection. The frames are made of plastic and its buttons are sturdy but feels clicky. Its power button doubles as its fingerprint scanner and does quite well too. On the bottom of the device, you find a 35mm headphone jack, a microphone, a Type-C charging port, and a down-firing speaker grill, with a speaker on the top of the device for stereo effect. And as mentioned earlier, its sound is tuned by JBL and it does not disappoint. On the left side of the device, you'll find the SIM card tray that houses a dual SIM setup and a micro SD card slot for storage expansion, which is a big win considering this device comes with a whopping 256GB of storage with 8GB of RAM, expandable to 16GB. The back of this device holds its camera cutout, which is way too reflective and is a total smudge magnet. But anyways, it houses its 64MP main camera with a 2MP depth sensor and a QVGA lens with a quad LED flashlight. The photos out of the Infinix Note 30 is decent, and for its price range you really can't ask for anything more. It performs its best in very well lit environments. It shoots videos at 1440p 30 frames per second and 1080p 30 and 60 frames per second. Its video quality too performs its best under good lighting conditions, and you really can't shout, considering how much this device goes for and taking into account all its included accessories. We can only be grateful at this point. It has a 60 megapixel selfie camera, which I am not a fan of, but it sure does its job. I'm just not cool with how reddish it makes the skin tones, or sort of contrasty. It doesn't feel very natural. And I also don't like how irregular the pictures turn out. And it shoots videos at 1080p 30 frames per second. What do you think of the camera quality on this device? Both the rear and the selfie camera. Let me know in the comment section, I am curious. In conclusion, the Infinix Note 30 is a perplexing device for its price range. It offers so much more than it logically should, which makes it one of my top budget-friendly phones of 2023. Its design is exquisite and refined with a good enough processor, long-lasting battery, and the specially ingrained settings like the bypass charging, which really does make a difference. The wireless charging addition is definitely an icing on the cake for this device, and not to forget the partnership with JBL, bringing the sound quality on this device to life. I especially commend Infinix's thoughtfulness and concern for its customers. The Note 30 being the best version is definitely worth it, but if you need a lot more power and gaming capabilities, the Pro and VIP versions offer much better specs. If you might be interested in a cheaper device, I would suggest you click the link above to watch my review on the Infinix Hot 30. Now, I do get people ask me where they can get devices when I review them. If you're interested in getting one of these devices, especially for those in Nigeria, as this option only ships nationwide. I get all my devices, including this one, from a company called Blu-Tech, based in Akwa Ibom State. They deal only on original devices, and they are licensed dealers of Infinix and Tecno, as well as many others. So if you're interested in ordering one for yourself, especially in the color I have here, I'll drop a link to contact them with in the description section below, so feel free to check them out. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and do drop your thoughts in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you would love to get more contents like this. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again. Bye bye.